Subject: Python programming. Section A: multiple choice questions. Question number 1: What is a program? Answer: B. A sequence of instructions to perform a specific task. Question number 2: Which of the following is an example of a logical operator? Answer: C. AND. Question number 3: What is the output of lay, hello? Answer: B. 5. Question number 4: How do you check for membership in a string? Answer: B. Using in. Question number 5: What is the primary benefit of using modules? Answer: C. Better organization and reuse of code. Question number 6: What does a primary key in a database do? Answer: A. Uniquely identifies each record in a table. Section B: Objective completion type questions. Question number 7: What does the modulus operator % return? Answer: It returns the remainder after division of one number by another. Question number 8: Tuples are dash, immutable, mutable. Answer: Immutable. Question number 9: How are tuples different from lists? Answer: Tuples are immutable, cannot be changed after creation, whereas lists are mutable, can be modified. Question number 10: What does the input function do? Answer: It takes input from the user as a string. Question number 11: An object is an instance of a dash. Answer: Class. Question number 12: To create a text entry field in Tkinter, you would use the dash widget. Entry scale. Answer: Entry. Full question paper.